A high-speed chase ends in tragedy, and an innocent woman pays the ultimate price.
You with us?
Ma'am?
You with us?
Ma'am?
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 You with us? Yep, I know I can't do that. Hold on, someone close.
We're breaking down what happened and why it took years for an out-of-control driver to face trial.
Do you remember any charges you had before you got in the accident?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Do you remember anything before the accident?
No.
This is Inside the Crime presented by Law&Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner. Now, before we get into this case, I want to tell you about an app you're gonna love. It's called Upside. Upside gets you cash back. Yes, extra cash back on everyday purchases like gas, groceries, and takeout. Here's what you do. Download Upside for free, claim an offer at one of their 100,000 plus locations, and pay like normal with your card. Then verify the purchase and boom, money back. Say I want takeout one night. I'll search for Upside offers first. After I spend, money appears in my app that I can transfer straight to my bank. Upside's frequent users earn an average of $254 back a year. To start getting your cash back, click the link in the description or scan the QR code and use promo code ITC to get an extra 25-cent bonus on every gallon on your first tank of gas. Detectives say the driver was going 90 miles per hour in a zone that was less than 50. When he crashed into another car, the impact was catastrophic. It was so violent that a woman was ripped from the driver's seat of her parked car despite wearing a seatbelt.
It's June 17, 2021. We're in Chippewa County, Michigan. It's just after 8 p.m. and deputies with the Chippewa County Sheriff's Office are in the middle of a high-speed chase.
We're going to be heading into the city here in a couple seconds.
Happy Street 70, approaching the city.
I'm following behind you guys. Zero traffic on
Clear, speeds are back to 90.
Speeds at 90.
Approaching 3 Mile intersection. Green light.
Copy 3 Mile, green light.
Continuing straight onto Ashman. Speeds are 90.
Continuing on Ashman, speeds 90.
By this point, the chase has been going on for the past 10 minutes. According to the incident report, the sheriff's office received a be on the lookout for a pickup truck that was all over the roadway and ran over multiple mailboxes. Court documents say, quote, while heading south on M129, Central Dispatch stated that the driver of the BOL vehicle threw a tire iron at another vehicle and was running other vehicles off of the roadway. Officials say the driver of the pickup was going almost 90 miles an hour in a 55-mile-per-hour zone. The driver was later identified as Tanner Harrison, and he reportedly refused to pull over. Then the chase came to a shocking ending.
Copy 15, confirm your location for EMS.
Really
Start EMS.
Copy, EMS is being paged. Give me a patient count when you can.
I can't find the driver of the vehicle.
Copy, injection.
I found her, not breathing. Hey, ma'am.
Copy, not breathing.
Hey, friend. What's the deal? Yeah, we got one here.
Copy, CPR initiated.
Hey, ma'am. Stay here. Hey, ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am?
To understand what happened, we have to go back to the case report. Now, keep in mind, deputies say Tanner Harrison was traveling about 90 miles per hour. Well, when he turned onto Ashman Street, the posted speed limit was 45 miles per hour. According to the incident report, quote, Tanner drove in the northbound lane at the same speed. I observed a small white car ahead of Tanner and myself. That small car appeared to have pulled over for the emergency vehicle lights. Tanner then drove his vehicle to the right of the northbound lane and crossed the white fog line. This put Tanner's vehicle in line with the small white car. Tanner then strikes this white car on the shoulder of Ashman Street. Tanner's vehicle pushes past this collision, but Tanner loses control of the vehicle. The report goes on to state, Tanner drives through the stop sign and crashes into a parked car located in the parking lot of the Great Lakes Recovery Center. But here's the thing. When Tanner allegedly crashed into the white car, the impact pushed the white car into a utility pole, and it was so severe it caused the driver to be thrown from her own car, even though she wore a seatbelt.
Ma'am?
Ma'am.
Your pulse?
Sweet pulse. Ma'am. We got one here.
Central 15, you're gonna need multiple rigs. Okay.
Ma'am, you okay? Copy, we're getting okay. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Light breathe on 1. Pick it up on EMS. Ma'am.
Jesse.
Ma'am. Hey, ma'am. Ma'am.
Central 6105, CPR in progress. Copy, CPR in progress.
You with us?
Ma'am?
You with us?
Ma'am?
Ma'am.
Ma'am?
You with us? Yep. Oh, I know I can't feel all that close.
Central 15.
15.
The suspect driver is pinned in. We're not able to get him out.
Copy, pinned in, requiring extrication.
I saw it coming. She moved on like she's supposed to.
Yeah, I didn't want to get in the way.
No, you were fine. He was all over. You breathing? You with us?
Ma'am?
Yeah. Oh.
Yep.
Oh, nice, Central. We do have a pole that's half broken.
Ma'am? 09, you recovered?
We have a electric pole that's half broken. For those consumers.
I think it's leaking gas over there too.
Copy. Any lines down?
Ma'am?
None that I can see right now.
Copy.
Hey, 970.
I think she might have been the only one. I don't see anybody else around.
No. I checked this area. I didn't check over there, but it's already there. Ma'am? Stay with us.
Breathing impulse on suspect.
Copy. Breathing impulse.
Who are you and why are you coming over here?
Stay with us, ma'am.
You want me to just hold traffic? Just hold traffic right now. Whenever you need a break, let me know. This is the only one that I can see on it that I found. Based on the looks of it, I'm thinking maybe unless there's somebody under a car somewhere.
You ready?
Yep.
Anything I can do to help? Firefighter?
Firefighter?
Yeah.
Push your finger in.
Yes.
You with us? You breathing?
Just keep an eye on traffic.
Keep an eye on us right now.
Stay on the roadway.
Okay.
For now, please.
Right now, we're doing CPR. Rig's right here. This is the only one that we know of right now. You with us? You breathing?
One right here.
How many do we have total?
Right now, total 2. Right now.
2 people injured total?
Well, this is one of this car and that car's. Yeah.
Oh, alright, is there anybody else that was in either of the cars?
As far as right now, we only know this one's been ejected.
Okay.
Let's get her going.
Well, we got to real quickly double check. Yeah, we got to real quick double check.
Yep, nope, you're good. Double time.
Ma'am?
The driver of the white car was identified as Katelynn Robinson. She reportedly had just left work when the crash happened. First responders did all they could to save her, but she died at the scene. Now, you might guess an arrest quickly followed, but that didn't happen. And it seems it's part due to Tanner's condition. He was in the hospital for months following the crash. Then Tanner and his mom reportedly moved away. So as investigators finally interviewed Tanner in September of 2023, he's no longer in Chippewa County, Michigan. By this time, he's living in South Prince George, Virginia.
Hi, Cecilia. I'm Detective Mitchell.
Hi.
Remember I talked to you on the phone?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you kind of figured we'd probably be coming down, hey?
No, I really didn't.
No?
Hi, I'm all right.
Yeah, the prosecutor really wants us to talk to Tanner to see how he's doing, so they sent us down here.
Court documents say the woman named Cecilia is Tanner's mom. The filing says, quote, I told her that nobody was under arrest and reminded her that we didn't have any arrest authority in Virginia. I asked Cecilia how Tanner was doing since the crash. She explained that he hasn't been good. She said that he has not been eating and was down to 124 pounds. The filing goes on to state, she said that with the way things were, she might need to put him in a home. I asked Cecilia how Tanner was doing as I could see that he could converse and walk. She said that he had no short-term memory. She said that he does what she tells him to do, such as showering, etc. She said that, for instance, he'll go outside and stand in the yard and will stay there until she tells him to come in. She gave another example that when they go for a car ride and come home, he sits in the car until she tells him, Tanner, it's time to go inside. She said then he'll follow her into the house. Cecilia says that he doesn't have memory of living in the UP. She said most of his memory comes from things as recent as when they were living in Florida. Tanner's interview with detectives is audio only, but let's hear what Tanner has to say when he speaks with detectives.
So, what do you remember about that night?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No.
Nothing at all. Hey, what's your first memory?
I was in the hospital and I remember waking up.
You remember waking up in the hospital, huh?
Yeah, I didn't know I was in the hospital though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How long were you in the hospital for?
6 months, I think.
6 months? Yeah?
I think.
Yeah. And then what did you do after that?
Ma picked me up. I moved in with her.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Mom picked you up and you moved in with her, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you remember anything before the incident?
No.
Nothing at all?
No.
Do you remember who your girlfriend was?
No. I know I got a tattoo of her initial, so it worked. I figured out who it was.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you know, but you didn't know when you woke up?
Right.
Okay. Do you know like what level of injury you have right now? Like what you're diagnosed with or anything? Do you know if there's any diagnosis?
No.
You don't know?
No.
It'd be a question for your mom then, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what day it is?
No.
No? Do you know what month it is?
No.
No? How about what time it is?
No.
Approximately?
About 2.
About 2?
Yeah.
Do you know approximately what day of the week it is?
Friday.
Friday? Close.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's Wednesday.
Oh.
Do you know how old you are?
40.
You're 40?
Yeah.
I'm 42.
Wow.
You're not going to be 40 until your birthday though, right?
Right.
Okay. So you're 39 right now, but you'll be 40 in October.
Yeah.
Yep. It hits a little different. Like I said, I'm 42, so.
Would you guys drive all the way here?
We did. The prosecutor sent us down here, and we didn't want to come, but they made us come down here just to talk to you, to see how you're doing, so.
Who's the prosecutor now?
Rob Stratton.
Oh.
You remember him?
Yeah. Yeah, I knew Stratton.
What did he do before?
I don't know.
No, but you know him?
Yeah.
You got a phone there, eh?
Yeah.
You can operate that?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember any charges you had before you got in the accident?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Do you remember anything before the accident?
No. I don't remember nothing where I lived or nothing.
Don't remember where you lived or nothing, eh?
No.
Do you remember what your injuries were from the accident?
No, I just seen the scar. But I don't remember.
Okay. So it looks like you broke your wrist, eh? Or your arm?
Yeah, I broke my arm and my bone came through to there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
broke both arms, I think.
Yeah. And then you had a head injury?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, brain injury.
Brain injury?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what kind?
No.
Uh-oh, the chicken's going in the house.
It'll stop or get yelled at.
Yeah. Do you take care of the chickens?
No. She just hangs out.
Oh, it just hangs out?
Yeah.
It's not even yours? It just hangs out here?
No, it's my uncle's.
Oh, it's your uncle's? What's the little doggy's name?
I don't remember.
You don't remember that one? Looks like a scruffy to me. What about the other one? There was a brown one walking around here. There it is.
I forget his name too.
Yeah?
Oh, that's Rocky.
That's Rocky?
Yeah.
Tanner, do you know the ABCs?
Yeah.
Can you say them for me?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
There you go. Good job.
Tanner was asked about the crash again. He says he wrecked his truck and knew the crash happened 2 years ago, but he doesn't remember that Katelynn Robinson was killed in the crash.
Do you remember who I am?
A sheriff from Chippewa.
Yeah. Detective Mitchell. Do you remember where you lived before the accident?
No.
No? Remember what town? No?
No. I don't remember the state I was in.
Like the actual United State?
Right.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if I was in Michigan or where I was at.
When it happened?
Right. Yeah, I don't remember nothing from around that time.
Okay. What do you know?
Probably a good thing.
Yeah, what do you know now about the incident?
Just that I was in the accident, I wrecked the truck.
Okay.
I think somebody was killed. I don't know for sure much more than that. I think somebody was hurt.
Yep. Yep, you were doing like 100 miles an hour and ran into the back of some young girl's car and killed her.
A girl?
Yep.
Wow.
Young girl. She was like 20. It threw her out of the car and she died right there.
Yeah, no, I don't remember that.
Okay. Do you remember the Sioux at all?
No, not really.
Okay. You don't remember like by Guido's Pizza or the women's shelter there?
No.
No? So what happened was you hit the girl and then you took out a big 6x6 stop sign post and it flew up in the air and you hit the pillar on the building and that your head was out the window and that signpost smacked you in the head.
Oh.
That's how you got the head injury.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Scary.
Yeah. Do you want to know anything else about the accident?
Like what?
I don't know. Just if you got any questions or anything about it.
How many cops were there?
How many cops were at the scene?
Yeah.
All of them that were working that day?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what year it is?
2020, I think.
No, like today, what year it is?
2020, I don't know.
Okay, yeah, it's 2023.
Okay.
The accident happened in 2021.
Oh, okay. See,
Yeah.
I thought 2020.
Yeah, no, a little over 2 years ago.
Okay. Yeah, I know it's been 2 years.
Have you and your mom lived anywhere but this house?
No, not in this area.
No? What about in a different area?
When I was in Florida.
Okay, you were down in Florida?
Yeah.
Oh, somebody's texting you. You can text them back, it's fine.
No, it was spit.
Oh, okay. Spam again, huh?
Yeah.
All those walkers for your uncle?
Yes.
Okay. Anything cool at the house you want to show me?
No, I
No?
don't know.
Do you guys have a chicken coop?
No.
I got chickens, so I just wanted to see your setup if you had one.
No, we don't have.
Okay.
She should be around here somewhere.
It's just the one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Anyway.
So you gonna get back into roofing?
Yeah.
That's
I
your plan?
think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Depending on how much money I get out of my SSI or whatever it's called.
Okay, so you're on SSI? Or
Not yet. I will be.
You will be?
Yeah, I think I was canceled because I had property. I had to sell it, so I'm going on something else, I think.
Okay.
Something like that.
So when you sold the property, did you sign the paperwork?
I don't think I had to sign any paperwork.
I signed it.
You signed it on his behalf?
I still had guardianship to Michigan.
Okay. All
My
right.
guardianship in Michigan lapsed, and that's why they want me to get it down here.
Okay.
So I talked to the attorney next week.
Yeah. Yeah.
So right now nobody has guardianship. He just doesn't have a mind to sign it.
According to court documents, Tanner's mom, Cecilia, told detectives they weren't hiding from law enforcement by moving to Virginia. The case was reportedly sent to the prosecutor's office for review, and the decision was made to arrest and charge Tanner with second-degree murder. He was extradited from Virginia back to Chippewa County, Michigan. Following his arrest, it seems Tanner remembers a lot more from the crash. Court documents reveal detectives listened to his jail phone calls with his mom, Cecilia. This was a call placed on October 2nd, 2023. The filing says, quote, at approximately the 11:30 mark, Tanner is talking with his mother about the night of the incident. Tanner describes throwing tools at the police and other people. Also, Tanner is blaming this incident on the fact Danielle woke him up from dead sleep. 3 days later, another call between Tanner and Cecilia. This one says, in this call, Tanner is again talking to his mother. They are discussing past dealings with the court. They discuss deceased Judge Church in detail. Tanner's mother then asks if his memory is coming back, to which Tanner replies, not really, but some stuff. 2 days following that call, Tanner allegedly tells his mom, I think my brain is getting better, but I don't think they can prove that. On October 28, 2023, Tanner and his mom talk about the fatal crash again. And this time, Tanner allegedly admits to being on fentanyl and alcohol at the time of the crash. Tanner Harrison's case went before a jury in January of 2026. Following a 5-day trial, the jury reached a verdict, guilty of second-degree murder. He was sentenced on March 24th of 2026. He was sentenced to up to 90 years in prison.
Online records with the Michigan Department of Corrections show Tanner Harrison is serving his sentence in the St. Louis Correctional Facility. As Katelynn Robinson's memory continues to live on, a Memorial Girls Hockey Tournament has reportedly been held every winter, and the proceeds benefit a scholarship fund in her honor. We'll attach a link in this description to our story. Thanks for joining me on this episode. I'm Elizabeth Millner, and we'll see you back here tomorrow with another case.